Hi guys, it's Seat from Warthog Defense. Ukrainian drones are bringing terror not only within their borders but also reaching into Russia itself. These unmanned aircrafts are changing the game, striking fear in both Ukraine's adversaries and even across the border. Join us as we explore this impactful shift in the conflict and how Ukrainian drones are making waves beyond their own skies.
Belgorod, Special Military Operation Zone, this night. They thought to bring terror in Ukraine, but the terror returned home. Russia's Leningrad region announced nighttime mobile internet shutdowns until January 31st. Following Pskov and Novgorod regions, 4G mobile internet will be unavailable at night in Leningrad region. The authorities promised to limit the night internet in these regions from January 25th to January 30th. Operators explain the temporary lack of communication by reconfiguration of broadcasting frequencies. But their representatives refuse from detailed comments to journalists. Most likely, the internet blackouts are connected with the first attack of Ukrainian drones on Leningrad region since the beginning of the full-scale war. On January 18th, UAVs attacked the St. Petersburg oil terminal, and on January 21st, they successfully hit Novatek's terminal in the port of Ust-Luga. At the moment, St. Petersburg is the farthest point reached by the AFU drones. Earlier, Astra reported that residents of Leningrad region noticed the deployment of S-300 anti-aircraft missile systems in the region. Translation of the SMS message. Please note, for reasons beyond Tele2's control, until the 31st of January 24, mobile internet may not be available at night. Note also that the restrictions may negatively affect the operation of usual online services, ATMs and payment terminals. Magyar publishes footage of a massive explosion of a Russian ammo stock in Krinky on the 27th of January, saying, "Worms will have no ammo to shoot tonight." Magyar, MTLB finished in Krinky with an accurate FPV fly-in. The 28th of January.
Чайник. Загорілось?
О, да.
Іди сюди.
Бо воно, був вибух, пішов такий гарний дим.
Russian military reporter describes an interesting FPV tactic. Ukrainians place drones on the road, watch the cameras, and once they notice an incoming vehicle, they raise the drone and let the car drive into it. The Ukrainians started laying down FPVs on the road in our direction and are operating by headlights. Today we talked about this with Sukhoi. You're going to work mission, and they look through the camera and raise the drone in front of the vehicle, so you drive into it yourself, and that's it. We need mobile electronic warfare, so there will be a higher chance of survival. Captured 3 Russians somewhere on the front line.
Звать як нахуй?
Лавринов Евгений Николаевич.
Откуда, блядь?
Кемеровская область.
Какого хуя здесь, блядь?
Призвали, пошел.
Ебало опустил нахуй!
Скоро ебало!
Второй, блядь, поднял нахуй ебало, блядь!
Полностью, сука!
Всех нахуй! Ебало выше поднял, блядь! Откуда, блядь?
Республика Саха-Якутия.
Какого хуя здесь, нахуй?
Мобилизовали.
Сколько лет, блядь?
6 месяцев.
6 месяцев,
Побей
пидор, сука.
уёбок!
Пидор, нахуй. Пусти башку, блядь.
блядь,
Третий, блядь.
Галушки Павел
Вот так сделай, уёбки.
Сколько
Сейчас
лет,
придет, я
блядь?
вас разорву.
50.
Откуда, блядь?
Приморский край. Село Фадеевка. Она завязана. Хорошо. Село Фадеевка.
Опустил ебало, блядь.
Шукайте нахуй проволоку. Проволоку.
Information appeared that Russians brought rare M46 cannons of a non-standard caliber out of conservation. These cannons were produced from 1946 to 1950. They have a caliber of 130 millimeters, which is non-standard for the ground forces of the Russian army. According to available data, Russians had only 350 guns of this type in storage. It's unclear how many of them were brought out of storage. In the Russian city of Rostov, a residential building collapsed. According to local media reports, the building started to fall apart the day before, so the residents were evacuated in time. This morning, the facade and floor slabs of the entire entrance collapsed. Russia prefers to spend its budget money on war, destruction, and killing Ukrainians. Ukrainian unit is evacuating its wounded warrior. And military porn is a military comedy at the end.
Thank you guys for watching. We had a great video. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.